Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 7:38 p.m. and today is 21st of January 2021, right? So 21st century, 21st day and 2021. What a coincidence. So yeah, just on a lighter note, but yesterday I was just listening to my own video. People have commented that the sound quality was not good. So I'm sorry for that yesterday, for my video yesterday. But yeah, today I'm taking full care. Yesterday I recorded my video without my mic, and now today I'm using it. Hopefully you will get it in the right, quality. So I just want to review the stocks that I have given you. I've given you Bajaj Finance for a buy, Bajaj Finserv for a buy, Reliance for a buy, Hero MotoCorp for a buy, HDFC Bank and Jindal Steel for a buy, and Sale and Gale. Sale and Gale I have given for a sell, right? These were my stocks yesterday, right? And just have a look at it, how they have performed. If you just want to have a look, just have a look at Sale. How did Sale do? It was a continuous fall since morning, right? This is started from here and it was a continuous fall for this particular stock. Then have a look at Gale, right? In the morning market was little positive. See, this was also continuous fall. I have given Bajaj Finance. Have a look at Bajaj Finance. From here it went to this. Then I have given Bajaj Finserv. Twins, right? These are twins, so almost they behave in a similar fashion from here to here. Then I have given a buy on Reliance, right? Have a look at each stock. What else do you want? People don't even do this kind of research for, you know after being well paid, right? And here I'm doing my level best so that you all can make good money, right? So I'm back again. So this is how Nifty was today, right? Nifty gave a little indication in the morning that it may be going up, right? It did go up a little bit, right? And then after some time, it made a double top. Like, have a look at it. It made a double top, exactly double top. And then once it broke this support zone, it was in a massive fall, right? And that's when I alerted my webinar members that Nifty is under free fall, and that's where we made huge amount of money, right? This is what I made, 2,10,000 rupees. I bought put before. I had bought calls which went negative. I have bought both of them together, so this became almost zero, and this gave me good profit, right? So that is how Nifty behaved, right? So in a way, Nifty was, I somehow feel that this is, a very fictitious move today, right? I still feel market is buy on dip, right? There are some stocks which are ready to go to the further heights. I feel that market is again ready for a move in the upward direction because it fell massively and it bounced quite a bit, right? If you just have a look, it just dropped by 54 points, which is barely anything, 0.37%, right? So I am on a buy side massively, but let's see, I may be incorrect. I'll take a decision in the live market itself. So I would like to show you my today's stock selection. So the first stock that I have on my radar is ICICI Bank, right? Right above today's high, we can create an entry. Oh, this is Reliance. Sorry, not this one. ICICI Bank is here, right? This is where ICICI Bank is. I do plan to buy it above this place, which is 561, right? 561, and today's low is going to be our stop loss, which means 550 is going to be our stop loss, and we can expect, at least 570, 580, 590 in the next few days if high is broken, right? So as per my thumb rule, in case see, this is a major resistance zone. According to my thumb rule, in case a stock breaks its lifetime high with volumes, I expect at least a 50% move in, 10% move, which means 50 points move can be expected, right? But that the only one condition we have is that it has to be broken with volumes. So for example, see here, Whenever it has broken in the past its lifetime high, like this place, right? This place, if it has broken, this is something new that I'm teaching you. So see here, this place was broken with volumes and then it went up, not 10%, more than 10%. So similarly, in case the market remains positive and it breaks its high tomorrow or the day after or in a few days or next week, we can expect a good move up, right? The second stock that I have on my radar is Nokri, right? This is Nokri.com, and purely the reason is that it has broken the trend line, right? As it's a very strong indication that the stock may be heading up. It has broken the trend line yesterday. Today, because Nifty was under a little stress, it was, there were buyers and sellers both active. So we can definitely take an entry in Nokri, right? Above 5380 with a stop loss of about 50 points, and target could be at least 300-400 points. Then on my radar is Indigo, right? Indigo, again, the same situation. The trend line has been broken, and today, because of market being little indecisive, the stock was under pressure. So why do we have to buy? We have to buy it above 1726, right? 1727, that's where we will be buying it. Okay, then we have a stock on sell side. Again, I'm giving a sell on sale below 64.85. We can short it, right? For a target of at least 61 is what one can definitely expect, right? Look at this candle that has formed today. It has overruled these two tiny candles, right? Then I have Eicher Motor. I have given it long back, but I still feel Eicher is looking extremely good even today, right? Have a look at Eicher. It still looks very, very, neat and clean and powerful. Above it's this high, which is 2964, right? So let's hope, because see, at 3000 a lot of option writers must be active. Let's just have a look at Aisha's option chain, because 3000 is a round figure, right? So I'm expecting a lot of option writers to be active at that point. Aisha Motor, this new website I'm not very happy with. Aisha Motor here, and I want to see its option chain. Let's see what's happening in the option chain. Where are the option writers active? So this is Nifty. I want Aisha Motors. A B C D E F G H. Here is Aisha Motors, right? And we go for it. So see here. Oh, so there is option unwind. See here, the unwinding happening, right? There is option writing happening on the put side, right? Option writing is happening on the put side, whereas the option unwinding happening on the 3000 levels, right? So to me, it looks pretty much very, very bullish. So this is one stock that I will be interested in buying. 2965. Our stop loss is going to be 2895, and our target could be at least 3000 and 3050 and 3100. That is what I'm expecting for this particular stock to move up to. Another stock, which is also an auto stock, but looks very, very bearish to me, but it could be respecting this trend line which I've drawn. See here, the strong trend line exists from very, very low bottom, right? Stock has been respecting this strong trend line, right? So in case I need to buy it, I have to buy it above today's high, 1321. Otherwise, if it goes below 1280, we can easily short it, right? It will be a good shorting opportunity, and it will at least fall for at least it'll go till where do we short it? We short it below 1275, and first target that can be expected will be 1250. The next target could be 1230, and the last target could be expected as 1182, right? Because we got to be ready with all buy stocks as well as the sell stocks. So this is another stock which is on my radar. It is Berger Paint, right? Which also looks extremely powerful to me. in spite of, look at the volumes that have come at the bottom, in spite of such a heavy, sell off in the market, sell off in the Nifty, the stock was not very um, uh, ready to, it wasn't ready to fall down, right? And if you just see here, rather it has gone up, right? This is the first candle. It was range bound, and look at the volumes that have come in this candle, this particular candle. So above 823, I'm expecting a major move in the stock, right? At least because it's going to break its lifetime high. At least I'm expecting it to go till about 900, right? And when I'm saying 900, doesn't mean tomorrow or next week. Well, I mean to say at least you have to give 1 month's time. So if at all you want to trade, you take February contracts and buy February futures, and you have to hedge it, right? So my stocks are ICICI Bank, right? Looks pretty powerful if it breaks its high. Nokri again looks extremely powerful and promising to me. Indigo is also looking very nice to me above this today's high. So all of wherever the buys need to be initiated, it has to be initiated today's high, right? Wherever sell need to be initiated, like sale I have given for a sell, so this has to be initiated below today's low. So two stocks for sell, I'll just mark it red. Two stocks for sell I have given, which is sale and escorts, and rest all are for buy, right? Eicher Motor is for buy, Berger Paint is for buy, Indigo is for a buy, and Nokri and ICICI Bank are for buy. So these, keep these stocks on radar, because I still very strongly feel market is not actually correcting. It's buy on dip. People are waiting to buy. That's my perception, and I may be wrong. I'm not saying that you need to trust me or believe my words. So I have selected stocks on both the sides: ICICI Bank, Nokri, Indigo, and Eicher Motor, Berger Paint for buy. And I have taken sale and escorts on a sell side. Now, what I quickly also want to do, I want to quickly analyze the Nifty's option chain, right? So now Nifty's expiry that is there is for the monthly expiry, right? Now we have just the monthly expiry left. So I will take you to Nifty, and I'm going to take you to the month end expiry. So see here, this is how it is, right? The highest number of contracts on the buy side have been written today at 14,700 level, right? So, and if you see on the put side, even at 14,600, even at 14,500, huge amount of volumes have been generated, and a lot of open interest has changed, right? So to, in my understanding, in my whatever little I understand about option chain, I feel market is still have a lot of potential to go up, right? In this month, I feel expiry could be about 14,700. In case option this crosses, Nifty crosses 14,700, then option chain has to adjust in such a way that people have to unwind these positions, and then we can expect the expiry to head towards 14,800 or 14,900. As of now, by looking at this option chain, by looking at the volumes that have come, the volumes that have come today and the open interest that has changed today, it looks expiry is around 14,700. So with this, I'm signing off, and the range is going to be narrow. So next few days you can expect Nifty to remain range bound, right? So all the best, guys. Look at, if you identify correctly, you don't need to rely on any salary. You can make money by yourself, enough money to live with dignity, to live with confidence, to enjoy whatever you make. And like this, to be very honest, I was sitting in the morning when I gave the trades on my Telegram channel. If you see here, I have given 2-3 trades. I have given Kajaria for a buy, and I've given Axis Bank future for a buy, right? These are the two stocks only. You don't have hundreds of stocks. I've given Kirloskar yesterday, and today it made a high. I just have a look at it. So I came back, from my walk. I went for a long walk during the day in sun. I thought it will be a good idea. So here it made the high, right? Here. 137.5, and even today it has entire day it was in good profit zone till about 134, 135. So what I'm saying that I came back at about 215 and I sat on the terminal, and that's where I saw this trade coming up, right? And what else do I need? I just sat for half an hour, 45 minutes, and this was done. And this is the beauty of stock market. It gives you liberty to do what you want. It gives you, you know, time to do what you wish to do. It's not that you have to slog, sit, but you have to learn about the stock market. If you don't learn about the stock market, you'll falter, right? So this is what I wanted to share anyway. If in case you are interested, you do have our beautiful courses and a lot of coaches who will help you in learning for a longer duration, right? We do allow members to repeat the course even after 6 months, 7 months, whenever they want to repeat. And we have team of trainers who support you, who do stock selection with you, who spend time with you to filter the stocks for the next few days, even in the live market, to select the stocks, right? You can ask any trainer, do they do live trading? They don't. But we at Stock Pro do the live trading with members. So anyway, this is what I wanted to share. So keep on radar. ICICI Bank for buy, Nokri for a buy, Indigo for a buy, Ayushmoto for a buy, Berger Paint for a buy, sale and escorts for a sell. And take care. See you tomorrow in the live market. Bye bye. Hope you all are present on my Telegram channel. Hope you are all watching my videos, because a lot of information, a lot of research, and a lot of work goes into it. And take care. See you soon, guys, in my on my Telegram channel with live trades in the live market. Bye bye.